chalking and oxidation, rust stains, tiger striping, biological growth, graffiti, strippable film, accidental overspray. At Sherwin-Williams, we understand these things happen. While our products are built to last, the real world can affect how your end project is viewed. The Sherwin-Williams Coil Coatings way is to be there for our customers even after our products have been installed and the project is complete. One way to achieve this is through maintenance and cleaning innovations. Our key partnership with Watts Removal Products ensures you have access to removal products designed to help revitalize and restore metal wall, roofing panels, manufactured products, extrusions, and so much more. For instance, when the adhesive film that comes as a protective layer over Sherwin-Williams coated metal panels is accidentally left in place or not taken off entirely, over time it becomes more and more difficult to remove. With products from Watts Removal, this film can be removed in minutes, restoring a panel to like-new condition. Chalking or oxidation happens naturally over time and creates a chalky film that appears on the surface of the metal. It dulls and discolors the finish. With another Watts Removal product, the luster of the original panel is vibrantly brought back to life. Watts Removal products also work on unsightly biological growth like algae and tiger striping, as well as man-made markings like overspray and graffiti. And these examples are only a sampling of the issues we address. Watts Removal products are formulated to be environmentally friendly and are equally effective on new or existing Sherwin-Williams coil and extrusion coated metal building products. Durability, countless options, and industry-leading innovation are things you've come to expect from Sherwin-Williams Coil Coatings. Now you can rest assured in the fact that your investment and trust in the metal coatings we offer is substantiated by our commitment to you. Put us to the test today. Sherwin-Williams. Our obsession is growing.